Ooh, this is very nice. Oh, it's such a nice planner. Like, moment of truth. This is the sample that we received, and I'm super excited to show you guys on camera. So let's unbox with me to check out the brand new Mimi notebook and the cover, and let's see how it goes. I'm kind of nervous at the same time, but this is the sample. And yeah, I've been talking about creating my own Mimi notebook for a long time, and it's finally coming true. Okay, so let's take a look. Moment truth, moment truth. Ah. Oh my gosh. Alright, this is the front cover. Okay, and then this, the other stuff. I'm kind of nervous, guys. This is, the notebook's in here. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's take a look at the cover. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I can't believe it. This is basically coming, like, idea coming true. You can see, like, close up. Oh my god, doesn't it look like our charms? Doesn't it look exactly like our charm? Ooh. It's so soft. It's like, almost felt like very soft, like leather. Ooh, this is very nice. Oh, it's such a nice planner. Like the cover is, I don't know how to describe it. It's like very smooth. It felt like cloud. Maybe that could be the name. Cloud. Felt like you're like fluffy. It's like very smooth and smooth cover. I really like it. Oh, this is really nice. This is a very nice planner. I think you guys will love it. Not too big, not too small. Perfect for traveling with you. Once you start using it, filling out all the pages, your planner notebook will become chunky. I know some of you guys like chunky, but yeah, this is very, very nice. Let's take a look at putting into my cover, the brown cover. I want to see how that looks like. All right. Ooh. Wow, this is really nice. I think you guys will love it a lot. This is such a beautiful cover, like planner. Wow. I'm actually really, really happy with the quality. Lots of grid pages. Let's see how it compares to this. It's like white. And you know how Hope in each weeks is like have cream color, and that's like they chose cream color because then you can bring it outside and use it, or if you're waiting a long time, your eyes won't get as tiring. Ours is like a white pepper color. You can see white color. I'm really happy, guys. I can't wait to test a little bit longer this planner, and then more details on their anniversary bundle. We'll be including our notebook and the cover and other goodies, but yeah, definitely stay tuned. It's definitely a fun anniversary bundle. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Definitely a very beautiful planner. I think you guys will love it. Again, my favorite color is purple, so this is perfect. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.